resilience and dynamism, and an anchor of unity and strength. Regardless of our intense or even how intense our political contests get, and despite the heat of our debate, we must never forget what a great country God has given to us and the opportunity we have together to build a strong, secure, peaceful, united, and prosperous nation. It must always inform what we do. We are called upon to be optimistic about our country because we have every reason to be. We see hope in the beauty of our land, in the richness of our diversity, and the diversity of our culture, and the immense potential of the Kenyan people. We hear hopes of stories of ordinary Kenyans who have done extraordinary things and overcome extraordinary challenges, who have risen above adversity and went on to make positive impact in their communities, in their localities, and in our nation. We build hope by working together towards common goals of prosperity for all of us, by supporting one another and by contributing to the common good. We strengthen hope by promoting peace, justice, and reconciliation. And we perfect hope by investing in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. We can nurture hope by protecting our environment, alleviating the effects of climate change, and preserving our rich national resources. In conclusion, let us embrace one another as a nation united by hope, laboring collectively in hope, and working together towards hope. Let us build a Kenya of opportunity for everyone, a land of prosperity where everyone can live and thrive in dignity, and where our hopes and dreams meet fulfillment through work and faith. You all know what our national anthem says. And because we are going through a budget process, and because we have stabilized our economy, we're going to now focus on how to create jobs, making sure that the road network that has been beaten by the floods, many roads that had stalled, that we're going to put more resources in making sure that we repair and we rebuild and we complete the roads that are waiting. I was very surprised and pleased